Good night, teacher. My name is Andrea Sapon.
Good night, teacher. My name is Stacy Cifuentes.
Good night, teacher. My name is Darly Mendez.
Our recipe is follow Dalgona coffee recipe. Will you two serving in 5 minutes? You will have it ready.
For the preparation, you will need the following ingredients. You will need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. In addition, you must have 2 tablespoons of sugar and you will also require 2 tablespoons of hot water, and it will be essential that you have a glass of milk ice to taste.
The preparation will have to be done as follows. Step 1. In a container, you will have to beat the instant coffee with the sugar and the water with the help of a hand blender. It will change color, lightening peaks will form and show that it is done. The mixture of coffee, white sugar, and water will have to be thick. Step 2. Then you will pour the milk into a cup or glass. Step 3. With a spoon, you will place the coffee cream on top of the milk, forming a flake.
It
It
will
will
be ready to serve. Thank you.